Another productive day. Spent some time in town just getting replacing my empty propane tank with a full one. So I have lots of propane. I actually had the heat off most of the day because the sun came out for a bit and it was warm. And maybe I'm getting used to being cold, I don't know. So I got dinner on the open fire. I've done a lot of burning of just scrub, which was good. I've also planned how to hook up my wood stove. So as long as I can get a part for the top of it where it's an oval, and I think I have a workaround for that. I should be able to get it hooked up. I'll show you a video of that another time. But the stove is super cute. It's a bit big for the space, but I figure too much heat's better than not enough. And I can always let the fire go out and cool down and open windows. That would be a good problem to have. So next Thursday I'm out of quarantine, so I'm gonna buy some food and get all my stovepipes. So that'll be another project that I will video so you can follow along, and there'll be different steps to it, stages. The first step is literally just getting the stove set up, so the stonework will be done in phase 2. But I'm excited. I'm scared to death because I've never done it, but I'll figure it out. So cheers!